Jen has blind baked her 7 tart cases, but she still needs to juice over 30 lemons for the filling.
Jen on the red team seems very, very confident that she can get out lemon tart for everybody. I've got my doubts.
How long are those tarts going to take to bake, Jen, when they've got the filling in?
In my oven, 35 minutes, but I think I'm going to need longer in that oven.
You need to get that filling done pretty quickly, otherwise those tarts aren't going to get in.
Yeah.
Jen, do you want a hand?
Yeah, if you've got time, Jack.
I'm more than happy to do that. If you're happy to kind of get on with these.
I'm happy,
yeah?
I'm happy, yeah.
What do you want me to do?
Basically, 1,250, thank you. You are a superstar, Jack.
Woo!
Would one of you mind grabbing the oven door for me?
Ready? Go.
Thank you.
You're fine. You're all right. Don't worry.
No, I've spilled it.
Don't worry. Doesn't really help that the ovens are not on an even keel.
Outside, there's high winds and the ship is on a lean, playing havoc with Jen's lemon tarts.
How are we looking?
Oh.
I know. I didn't account for the tilt of the oven.
Well, I mean, you know, you are at an angle, aren't you?
I'd put a tiny bit more in, and when it sets, it might catch it a bit. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah. The middle ones are the ones that we need to refill a bit.
All right, you need to put some more in that one.
Yeah.
Oh, careful, careful, careful,
Yeah.
careful, careful.
That'll do.
Okay.
That one looks fine.
Yeah.
This one's been on the slope.
Yes.
So does it mean you can use 2/3 of it?
Yeah, anything that's sort of not got enough filling we won't be using.
Clean down, ready for dessert, please.
Yep.
Come on, quick, 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 let's go.
Yep. So tarts need to be sliced and then just dressed.
Okay.
There's no let-up for the red team, racing to get their lemon tart ready for service.
That one you can use most of.
Just cut them all into 12 and then they use all the best slices. I think that's the best way to do it. It saves any need for thought.
Yeah,
then...
some of these have actually come out quite nicely.
Have we got 60 slices of tart?
If we cut them small enough.
We deliberately cut them this small, have we?
We need to get 60 portions out.
Up against it, the blue team are frantically working to get their puddings out on time.
Is that custard ready?
Yeah, do you want to get this first bit of custard, Billy, and I'll keep an eye on the big pot? We need to. Are you happy with how they look? Yeah, they could have been a little bit neater, but, you know, it's a horrible day outside, so I guess it's what they want.
OK, let's go, please. Service!
Service! OK.
Right, service. They're ready to go. Keep going.
The red team's dessert is lemon tart served with a navy rum chantilly cream, a berry compote, and a garnish of fresh berries.
It's not going to last long, is it, really?
I had the tart and it was quite nice, not enough of it, and I don't think the cream was boozy enough.
The pastry was lovely and buttery, and I very much enjoyed it. I'm not one for desserts, but that was lovely.
Probably concur with a lot of my colleagues is, again, used to larger portions, so obviously not enough of it, and again, yeah, pastry was a little bit thin for me.
I like the cream with it. I like the berry compote as well. That's not a bad little tart at all.
It's a wonky tart, but it's a tasty tart. Sharp with lemon, sweet with sugar, sour with the berries. I just like a bigger portion. Go, 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 Jane. Take those up.
For dessert, the blue team have made an upside-down plum sponge pudding with spiced plum syrup. It's served with custard.
The sponge was very fluffy, so it was really nicely went down after a big man, so it was good.
We quite often have sponge-style pudding for dessert anyway, so it fits completely with what we're used to, and it was lovely to eat.
28 years in the Royal Navy and a bit of a connoisseur in sponges, and that was up there amongst the best, I think.
Oh, that is yummy.
The sponge is good because the plums have been cooked almost in a mulled wine.
It's a winter's day big sponge. It is spicy, it's got the fruit of the plums, and it's a very, very good custard.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Well done!
Yay!
Oh,
Yay! Oh my God, that was awesome!